Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to enable two-factor authentication on your Busha account. Enabling two-factor authentication on your Busha account is a crucial security measure. Here's how you can typically do it. Open the Busha app or website and log into your account. Go to your profile or settings or account section. Find the security or security setting option. Look for the 2FA or two-factor authentication or enable 2FA option. Busha will likely recommend using an authenticator app, that is Google Authenticator, Authy. If you don't have one, download an authenticator app from your app store. Next, Busha will display a QR code. Open your authenticator app and scan the code. If you can't scan the QR code, Busha may provide a manual key that you can enter into your authenticator app. Your authenticator app will generate a 6-digit verification code. Enter the code into the Busha app or website to confirm the linking. Busha may provide recovery codes. Save these codes in a safe place. If you lose access to your authenticator app, you can use these codes to regain access to your account. Confirm that you want to enable two-factor authentication.